in that.
You've been playing for too long, too long. Boy, I'm trying to see some. Yeah, you be acting like you ain't sprung, ain't sprung. I'ma give you what you want. I'ma pull up with that good. Pull up bougie in the hood.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chi Chi, and today's video is going to be on how to get bomb skin and still be on a budget. So if you want to see how and what products I use to keep my skin popping, okay, stay tuned. So this is my skincare collection. I love to keep it simple. I keep it budget friendly. So that's the main reason why I'm bringing you this video, because I keep my skin clear without breaking the bank. So the first step is to cleanse our face. We're going to use our handheld facial brush, and then we're going to wet our face. I love to wet my face before applying product because I find that it creates a better lather. Then after that, I'm going to only put a little bit on there and then work it in. So the product I'm using is Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser. I love this product because it is completely clean. It has no parabens, no sulfates. It pretty much is just magic. I love that it gives me a nice, great cleanse without putting any type of synthetic product on my face. So in order to remove the foam or the suds from my face, I like to go in with a washcloth. And one thing that I do not do is I do not rub my face. What I've noticed is that when I rub my face, I create red blotches, and that is not good for when I want to leave straight out the house with a, like a natural bare face. Then I'll be having red blotches all over the place, and we don't want that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is going with my lip scrub. I actually hand make this. This is simply honey and sugar. That's it. And it tastes so good, y'all. So good. But yeah, I just work it in, get all that, dead skin off my lips so that my lips can be nice and kissable. Yeah, that's me tasting it. It was so good. It tastes like candy. I swear, you have to try it. So to remove the lip scrub, I either lick it off, or like you see here, I pat it off just like anything that I take off my face. So the next product we're using is the Pearlescence Charcoal Neroli Facial Scrub. This scrub is new to me. I got it when I had bought my Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser. So far, I love it. I can give you a better review on it later on. But overall, I have definitely seen a difference in my skin as far as the texture. So these are my 3 top masks that I float around. Depending on how I feel, I grab, whichever one. But the one that I've been grabbing the most is the Pearlescence Turmeric and Honey. I really love the smell. I also love the texture. And I love how it feels on my face, especially when it's drying. I really feel it pulling and tightening my skin. And it really makes me feel brand new when I wipe it off. I literally see a difference the moment I wipe it off. So while my mask dry, which typically takes about 15 minutes, I love to read a book. I try to stay in books. Also, I love to just watch some TV, maybe get some laundry done. So that's what I'm about to go do. So now the mask is completely dry, and I'm going to go ahead and remove it the same way that I remove everything off my face. I use my washcloth and I pat dry it off. I do wipe a little bit with the mask on because it's a little harder to get off while just patting. So that's what I'm doing here until all of the product is off. So see, I have a beautiful skin, girl. Yes, get into it. Okay, hair tie chilling with no makeup on. Thank you. But we're not done. The last step is to moisturize. So what I like to moisturize with is my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And when I apply this, I like to apply in an upwards motion. And now you have that beautiful skin without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Learning it when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump, that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block,